I take the Pokemon cards and I trade them.
Okay.
So I put the clothes in the suitcase and zip it.
Right.
I ain't never been handicapped,
Okay.
but I keep that cap handy. Super hot fire. Yeah, alright, this boy looking more like Stan.
I take the ball, I bounce it, I shoot, I miss it. Psych! I switched it!